In this video, we're going to change the default password for the admin account and look at the device access options, which is one of the first things you should do when setting up a new XG firewall. You'll notice that there's an alert on the control center reminding us that the admin password has not been changed. You can either click here to get to the device access screen or navigate to the System menu, Administration, and choose Device Access. The top portion of the screen provides a matrix of access options by network zone. You can select from a variety of administrative, authentication, network, and other services to enable only those services you need in the appropriate zones to limit exposure. For example, you can opt to enable secure access to the web admin console from the WAN, while completely disabling SSH access across all zones. Be sure to apply any changes you make. If zone access is not granular enough, you can use the Local Services ACL Exception Rule feature to add very specific rules governing access to services from desired networks or hosts. At the bottom of the screen is where you change the default admin password. It's very important you do this as one of the first tasks in setting up your XG firewall. And as you can imagine, we suggest the use of strong passwords using a mix of letters, numbers, upper and lower case, with symbols, all of sufficient length to foil any brute force attempts to gain control of your firewall by unauthorized users. If you need to, you can also reset the password to the default, which is admin, which can be handy if your browser remembers your admin password, but you don't.